Welcome to our Legoland Malaysia adventure, Part 2. Exploring the rides. Technic Twister Ride. The Great Lego Race. Aquazone Wave Racers. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for Part 3.